Okay, ladies and gentlemen, another video here. It's gonna be a good one. Gonna be doing a in-depth review of the Galaxy Buds Plus or Galaxy Buds Pros versus the Airpods Pros. You guys go on to enjoy this video and like this content, leave a like, subscribe, and now let's hop into today's video. Okay, so I've owned the Galaxy Buds Pros for probably around 3 to 4 weeks by now. I've done a decent amount of testing with them. If you haven't checked out my previous video on the Galaxy Buds Pro and why I stopped wearing them, make sure to go check that out. It's a very important video, and it explains a lot about what I'm going to say in this video as well. Currently, I'm using the Galaxy Buds Plus on a daily basis just because I like the case, to be honest, more. I like the look of the buds more, and it's a better overall fit in the ear. Sound quality is not as good, but honestly, I can't even really tell the difference. It's very minor. And then these are the old Galaxy Buds, which I've been using for a long time. So yeah, I got like the full collection at this point. I'm going to be doing multiple comparisons in addition to this video, but this is strictly going to be Galaxy Buds Pros versus Airpods Pros, and we're going to test a variety of different aspects and characteristics of them. We're going to be looking at overall sound quality, we're going to be looking at fit in the ear, additional features, customization, the experience within the app, experience within the ecosystem, stuff like that. And I'm going to be giving my friends an actual audio sample, and they're going to be deciding which one actually sounds better. So it's going to be sort of like a subjective video with some objective facts sprinkled in. That's how I do all of my reviews and comparisons on this channel. Also, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and let's hop in to the full comparison of the Galaxy Buds Pros versus the Airpods Pros in 2021. Okay, people, we got Tim here. Tim, do you want to say hi?
Not really.
Oh, he doesn't want to say hi. But
what's up, guys?
We're gonna be doing a live comparison between the Buds Pros and the Airpods Pros. So before we listen to anything, Tim, who do you think's gonna, or which ones are gonna be or sound better?
I think that the AirPods Pros are going to sound a bit better, but I think you're going to make a very convincing argument that the Galaxy Buds Pro are a better deal for your money.
Okay, let's take money out of the equation in this. Let's just go pure comfort and sound quality.
Comfort and sound quality, I absolutely think AirPods Pro are going to win.
Okay, I agree with you. Comfort, these are awful when it comes to comfort. But yeah, let's just hop right in it. We're going to be playing the exact same song. It's going to be Moonlight by NLE Choppa. Really dynamic sound in that song. Which one do you want to do first?
Oh, are we not going at the same time?
No, both earbuds.
Both earbuds.
Both earbuds.
Okay.
And then you can tell me if you want the volume higher or lower.
Good God, man.
And my phone right now is set to dynamic mode, by the way. Just keep that in mind. So a little more dynamic sound.
They sound good.
Probably do like 30 seconds each, so it gets a good idea about the overall sound quality.
One of the weird things about these is how they cut out when you start speaking.
That
the
is true.
AirPods don't do that, and it
Right.
comes very out of nowhere, especially if you're not used to it or expecting
Right.
it.
Okay. So just to be clear, we are talking, and that's why they turned on. Normally, if you can adjust that setting, by the way. I can turn it off if you want.
But the noise cancellation is incredible. Like as soon as you started talking and like they turned back on, it was silence.
Okay. Okay, so I think that's good. I think you got a good idea. We're gonna pause that. Now we're gonna go to the AirPods Pros. Just right. We're gonna play the exact same song, roughly around the same time, and then Tim's gonna be able to tell us if he can tell a difference or if it sounds the exact same.
All right.
I have a feeling they're gonna sound pretty different. I've listened to AirPods Pros before. Roughly same volume.
So they play. So like these are better given they're not cutting out. So I don't know how fair this experiment is, given the fact I kept cutting out the Galaxy Buds.
Okay. Let me go into settings. I'll turn it off.
So the AirPods definitely win in the comfort.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah.
And I would also say the sound quality, but I'm not sure I can be completely fair on that because I was talking through a lot of the song with the Galaxy Buds, which causes them to cut out.
Right. I'm gonna actually go turn that setting off right now, and then, yeah. Okay, so it's now off. Settings off. We're gonna test that again then. There you go. We won't do as long, but.
All right.
You're right. 3, 2, 1, go. I don't think he has them in proper.
It's so weird because like I feel like I have to do a head bob since I'm being watched.
By the way, so I think he has them in wrong right now. And remember, there is no one knows how to wear these. Literally, no.
Scott's making fun of me because I can't keep a beat. Wow, in front of the whole world too.
The noise isolation is pretty good. I'll give him that. Okay.
Yeah, so I still got to stand by the AirPods.
Okay, so he's standing by the AirPods. Okay, so if you were to rank, did I even put that in wrong? If you were to rank, if we're strictly just doing comfort and sound quality, scale from 1 to 10, what would you rank the comfort on each, and then what would you rate the sound quality on each?
AirPods Pro I would rate at 10. I've never had a more comfortable pair of earbuds, especially even compared to the regular AirPods, just because these stay in your ears so much better.
Okay.
The Galaxy Buds on comfort, I don't know.
It's so low. It's so low.
I would give them like a 3
Yeah.
because they just ignored the comfort detail.
Yeah, they just put in no effort, and that's why I switched back to the Buds Plus, because they have the old design, which actually fits in your ear properly.
Like the entire twisting thing that
It's
you're supposed
awful.
to do, that's just weird. And then as far as sound quality, so I'm not an audiophile at all.
I'm not either.
Those almost seem to like have a better bass, but like they didn't have, I guess, what would you call it?
Mids and highs.
They didn't have as good mids and highs. So AirPods already have a good bass. That bass was perhaps a little bit lower,
Okay.
but overall I would say the rounded out sound quality of the AirPods was better than
Then the Buds
than
Pros.
the Buds, which is weird because it's odd that I'm complimenting them on their bass of all things and then saying usually bass is where they're lacking,
Yeah.
but those definitely had a noticeably better bass.
And I've listened to those before. Those have really good vocals. Like the clarity in the person's voice is insane.
Mm-hmm.
This, it's fine, but it's like it doesn't come close to like how clear. It sounds like the person's singing like right next to you when you listen to AirPods Pros.
It's like the sound is coming out of your head too.
Yeah.
Like it's literally like thinking almost.
Yeah, I think those have better overall like 360 audio, in my opinion, than these.
That's a whole nother feature. Like especially on my iPad, I don't think my phone's new enough. Like the 360 audio, you almost forget that they're in there because it simulates like the sound is coming out of the iPad. So like you turn your head and it's still coming from that location,
Right.
and it's just so good.
Right. These have this as well. I had it turned off. I have tested it. It's not that good. I couldn't even tell it was on, to be honest. So those definitely win in that department. So yeah, now we're gonna move on to our second contestant. It's gonna be Alex. Okay, next contestant, Alex here. We're gonna be doing the same exact thing, same song. You're gonna be doing Galaxy Buds Pros first. This is right, and this is left. I'm not even gonna tell you how to put those in because there is no
This looks confusing.
there's no proper way to put those in. So you're just gonna have to wing it. Okay, so I'm gonna play roughly 15 to roughly 15 to 20 seconds of each, and then you can give your honest opinion. So Tim said those have I don't know if you can hear me right now, but Tim said those have a slightly better bass than AirPods Pros. I'm gonna cut it there.
I definitely did not have those put in right.
Yeah, but no one knows how to, I don't even know how to put those in. There's no proper way. Okay, so next we're gonna go to Tim's phone. Whoops.
I have the first AirPods, so
Okay.
I've used these before, so
Now we're going to the AirPods Pros. Roughly, just listen to the same amount of time, roughly.
I can't hear you, so I actually can't hear you.
Those are pretty good then in noise
I
isolation.
really can't hear you.
He's so biased right now. Okay, so in your opinion, okay, so we're gonna go overall. rank 2 rankings. It's gonna be comfort and then sound quality. Scale from 1 to 10. You can rate both. 1 through 10. 1 being awful, 10 being like amazing.
Okay.
You want to start out with these?
3 categories?
Just 2.
Okay.
So overall, go comfort first, 1 through 10.
I think for those comfort like around like a 7, but I don't think I had them in properly.
Right.
I think if they were in properly, they would have felt a lot better.
Yeah, that's what most people say.
And then sound quality, it sounded good. I would go 8.
8. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So total of 15 points.
Yeah.
Okay, so what about the
these
AirPods?
They definitely felt a lot better. And like the noise cancellation, I could not hear you like at all when the music was playing. Although it did feel a bit louder, it also might come down because I don't know if I had those in right. So,
yeah, that could be another factor.
So and then sound quality, or comfort, I would put a 10. They were really comfortable.
Wow, that's pretty good.
They were
comfort at 10.
They were really comfortable. Like once you put them in, you can't really notice them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree with that.
And then for sound, I would go probably 9.
Okay, so
I think overall the AirPods are better. Again, like sound, like bass felt better in here actually.
Really?
I think like you didn't like feel it, but like it sounded like it had more of an impact.
Okay, I got you.
You felt the bass more with those, but you can like there's I don't know, it's like
so more like an artificial bass on these.
I wouldn't say artificial because like a bass really is like you should feel bass.
Okay, so better thumb.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, well, thank you, Alex. Thank you for your opinion. So that was 19 points, and these are 15 points if we just add them up.
Yep.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, so that's going to be it for today's video, AirPods Pro versus Galaxy Buds Pro. Leave a comment down below which you guys think is the better buy. Just keep in mind the price of these headphones. The Galaxy Buds Pro retail for $200, and I think the AirPods Pro are around like $250-ish, but there's always discounts going on, pre-order bonuses, so the price can obviously be variable. But yeah, overall consensus was that the AirPods Pro are overall better. I mean, obviously these are all subjective thoughts. I didn't go too much into the customization within the app and stuff and the different features. I'd say the Buds have a lot more customization within the app, such as the feature Tim talked about with when you start speaking, it'll go into ambient sound mode. The AirPods don't have a feature like that. And then there's also other features within the Galaxy Buds app that's in beta right now, which you can test out, which is really cool. There is one feature that the Buds Plus does have, which you can touch the side of your ear to adjust volume. That is really useful. Not found on the Galaxy Buds Pro. Not sure why they took that away. But guys, leave a like on this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video from Scott Tyler. It's going to be another banger. Peace out.